Hi guys, if you watch my previous video, you know I added some extra muffler and some steel wool inside the rear muffler, but still this car exhaust is very loud. But I think it is leaking from somewhere. Let's see. Let's listen underside. Here is my nice new muffler. But what do you think? That sounds like exhaust leak, and like it is coming from the rear side. Here is the normal exhaust sound, but like it was coming from the front of the muffler. Let's see. Okay, under the car now. Let's see. I can't see any marks. How about the upper side? Does the camera fit there? I think here. Let's see. I can't see any marks of leak here. There should be black color if it is leaking. No, but hey. I think it is leaking from here. I think it is okay now. It's not so beautiful, but it will do. And little amount here. Okay, everything is there again, and the sound test. Let's listen it now. Okay, we have no leaking sound anymore. I think this is good now. Yes, that's all for today. Bye.